In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a QuickBooks invoice in just 5 minutes. Paying invoices efficiently is crucial for business operations, and QuickBooks Online offers a streamlined process to make this as hassle-free as possible. Whether you're settling an invoice for services or goods purchased, QuickBooks ensures you can do it all quickly and securely. Let's dive right in. To begin, you will first need to navigate to QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. It's helpful to bookmark the page for easy access, especially if you find yourself logging in frequently. Once on the QuickBooks homepage, look at the top right corner. Here you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. Signing in is straightforward. Simply enter your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. It's important to ensure your login details are correct to avoid any issues accessing your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it easily. Once you've entered your credentials, click the sign in button again. This will direct you to your QuickBooks dashboard where all your financial activities are centralized. Now that you're in QuickBooks, the next step is to head over to your settings. In the top navigation bar, look for the gear icon which represents settings. Click on it and it will bring up a menu with various options for you to configure your account settings, manage users and more. From these options, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This section is where you can manage the specifics of how your account interfaces with invoices, sales data, and customer interactions. Within the Account and Settings page, you will see different tabs like Company, Billing and Subscription, Usage, and Sales. For today, our focus is on the Sales tab, so go ahead and click on that. Within the Sales tab, you'll find several elements related to how your sales transactions are processed and managed. Look for the section labeled Invoice Payments. Click on this, as this is where we'll set up the specifics for receiving payments. If this is your first time, take a moment to skim through the available options. It's beneficial to familiarize yourself with how QuickBooks handles payments. In this section, you'll be able to input detailed payment instructions for your customers. When adding payment instructions, consider including various methods for how your customers can pay you. You have the flexibility to add instructions for cash, check, debit, or credit card, bank transfers, wire transfers, and even online payment options like automated bill payments. Tailoring the payment methods to your business's needs provides customers with versatility in how they settle their invoices, often speeding up the payment process. With the payment options sorted out, make sure that when your customers open the invoice sent to their email, they can see all the available options to pay. It's always a good idea to clearly communicate these options while ensuring the format and language are easy to understand. Once you're comfortable with the instructions you've added, take a moment to review everything. Finally, don't forget this crucial step. Remember to click Save. This will ensure all the changes made to the invoice settings are stored and applied to future invoices. Saving confirms that all instructions are live and ready to be sent out with your next invoices. With that, you've completed the process of setting up QuickBooks for receiving invoice payments. By following these steps, you make it smoother for your business to receive timely payments and ultimately enhance the customer payment experience. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just needed a refresh on setting up invoice payments, we hope this guide has been helpful. As always, if you have any questions or run into any issues, QuickBooks has a robust support system, including help guides and customer service representatives to assist you. Remember, staying on top of your invoice payments is crucial for maintaining healthy business-customer relationships and ensuring a steady cash flow. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Until next time, happy accounting.